How to fix Instagram Reels save option not showing. All what you have to do to fix this problem, guys, is actually very easy. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then scroll, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then scroll all the way until you find Instagram like this. Click on Instagram and then click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled like this. Go back, click on data usage, make sure that all the network access are enabled. Go back again, click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. And now last thing you want to do is you have to update your Instagram on Play Store. And after you update it, all what you have to do then is just turn off your phone, turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial.